Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's discuss the next name reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts reactions. Here we have two reactions. One is the acylation reaction, second one is the alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In acylation, what we will do, we will introduce RC double bond O group in acylation. In alkylation, what we will do, we introduce R group. On which systems? Aromatic systems. Benzene. Okay. Let's see. Introduction of acyl group onto aromatic substrate. Introduction of alkyl group onto the aromatic substrate. See the example. Benzene is treated with acyl chloride RC double bond OCl in presence of AlCl3 produces C double bond OR. AlCl3 is the Lewis catalyst. Lewis acid catalyst. If you see the mechanism, initially chlorine is having 3 lone pair of electrons or not. One of the lone pair electron is donated to aluminium. Aluminium is having the vacant p orbital or not. That's why donation takes place. Thereby chlorine will take the positive charge, and whatever the aluminium is taking the electrons, that's why aluminium will take the negative charge. In order to neutralize this Cl plus, what is happening, these bonding electrons moving towards the Cl, thereby plus and minus will be neutralized. We will come up with AlCl4 minus. So here we are getting the positive charge. The oxygen is donating its lone pair electrons to this one. That's why triple bond formation takes place by the formation of a positive character on the oxygen. So now the formation of carbon-carbon bond takes place between the aromatic hydrocarbon and the carbonyl group type. Thereby these bonding electrons move towards oxygen. We will come up with C double bond OR. In order to regain its aromatic character, hydrogen is removed in the form of H+. Thereby 5 bond formation takes place. We will come up with a cell product. Now the AlCl4 minus combine with H+ to produce AlCl3 and HCl. So similar kind of mechanism in case of alkylation also. What is the difference? In case of acylation, the C double bond O group is there. In case of alkylation, that is absent. Simply remove the C double bond O, then we will come up with the alkyl. Okay. Here it is one of the important point. Vinyl/aryl components do not undergo acylation or alkylation. This is very, very important. Vinyl/aryl components do not undergo acylation or alkylation. If you see this example, in case of alkyl, RCl here, na, this is assume that this is completely RBr. Simply this moiety is attaching here. Complete moiety is attaching here. If you say this example, the Cl is simply removing and this should be attached to benzene, but this is not attaching. 1 to alkyl shift is taking place. Why? Because here there is a formation of the carbocation. See this. Here CH2 plus will be formed. This is primary carbocation. Now what happens? Shifting of CH3 group takes place like this. Thereby we are creating secondary carbocation. This is attaching here. That's why this shift is called as 1 to alkyl shift. Always we need to observe in the examinations, now the people will give this kind of problems only. Okay. So in this way we can introduce acyl group or alkyl group onto the aromatic substrate. Thank you very much.